Do you need final expense insurance? Life insurance provides your loved ones with an income replacement if you are no longer around to provide for them. When you are a senior or retired and you do not have dependents anymore, you might not need traditional life insurance coverage. However, there is still one big cost you need to plan for: your funeral. A funeral can cost anywhere from $8,000 to $10,000, not including other end-of-life expenses such as medical bills. These can end up falling on the shoulders of loved ones and cause a financial strain. That is where final expense, also known as or burial insurance, comes in. If you are looking for life insurance coverage that can cover the cost of your death and funeral arrangements, final expense insurance may be right for you. Due to its high cost, it is best suited for people who are ineligible for traditional coverage. Our agency is unique because it does not simply stick to one kind of insurance provider but brings the clients the best deals from many different insurance carriers. In this way, clients have access to offers from multiple carriers all in one place. So, let us do the searching for you for free. Call our office for a quick quote and visit our website.